We're on the way to Jeremy McGrath's ranch. You know, just been twisted on the dirt roads for about 20 minutes now. Suspense is killing me. It says on the directions we're gonna feel like we're lost. We are sitting here in the middle of the dirt road, about 400 miles from civilization, in the hills of a top secret location. Oh, look, there's Jeremy. What's up?
Cool, well, this is the ranch. I'll give you a little tour. My ranch is a private little spot that I have for riding, and my family and I and my friends and stuff. 700 acres, so nobody messing with us up here.
It's a big place. It's like 3 miles wide, so that's like bigger than my neighborhood, like times like 50 maybe.
Adam Cianciarulo. I mean, first, he's an amazing kid. Super nice kid, just real funny, real friendly. On top of that, he's a phenomenal rider.
Jeremy McGrath is really cool, down-to-earth guy. He's got a sick ranch, got sick tracks, sick jumps, worked really hard for all he has, and I definitely, if I could come anywhere close to being like him, it'd be awesome.
Adam's already a superstar at 13, and I didn't even start racing until I was 14, so it's quite a big difference.
Jeremy taught me a little bit how to golf, which didn't successfully work, but it was a fun day for sure.
You really don't golf?
Never golfed before in my life. What's the technique to this?
Take it back and swing through.
Off the mount. Okay, last chance. Okay, I'm done.
Let's go hit the jumps.
All right, let's go do it. Jeremy McGrath's ranch. I would tell the kids that would try to find it to never try because it's impossible. We had directions, didn't even find it. You'll get lost, you'll get eaten by coyotes, squirrels will attack you. It's not good at all. Don't try.